In this video, I will be testing a highly effective scalping strategy for beginners. This strategy works on stocks, crypto, and Forex. I will be testing this strategy on gold 5-minute chart. I'll be back testing it 100 times with an initial account size of $1,000 with a 2% risk per trade. This strategy consists of 3 indicators. The first indicator we will be using is the absolute strength indicator. For this indicator, we will have to tweak some of its settings. We'll change the period of evaluation from 50 to 20 and the second from 25 to 10. The second indicator we are adding is the exponential moving average, and we will be changing the length from 9 to 60. And for our last indicator, we'll be using the ATR, the average true range indicator. We are going to use this indicator for our stop losses and take profit. So what this indicator does, it calculates the volatility in the market and gives us the average value. When we trade with this system, we are going to use 3-to-1 ratio. We are going to set our stop loss at 1.5 ATR value and our take profit at 3 ATR value. The entry rules in this strategy are very simple. So what we are looking for is for this indicator to cross lines. So whenever the blue line is above the red line, this is a signal to buy, and vice versa. Whenever the lines cross and the red line is above the blue line, this is a signal to go short. Also, we cannot take any long trades if the price is below the moving average. The same as we cannot take any short trades if the price is above the moving average. Also, if we have a signal from our main indicator to go short, but the price is sitting above the moving average, we are going to have to wait for the price to go under the moving average and closes under it to enter a trade. Let me show you some examples of how this strategy works. We have a short signal issued by our indicator, and we have the price below the moving average. So all our requirements are met for a short trade. We need to check the value of the ATR to determine the stop loss and take profit. The ATR is at 1.2, so our stop loss will be at 2.37 and our take profit will be at 3.57. As we can see, our trade was profitable. Let's move on a long position example. Right here, our indicator gave a long position signal, so we have to wait for a candle to close above the moving average. Let's take a long position here. Our ATR value is at 0.5, so we'll set out stop loss at 0.75 and our take profit at 1.5. Okay, so this was another winning trade. Let's move on to another example. Okay, so this will be our last example before we move on to the back testing. Right here, our indicator gave us a signal to go long, so let's go ahead and enter a long position. The ATR value is around 0.7, we'll set our stop loss at 1.2 and our take profit at 2.4. This was another winning trade. Right now I'll go ahead and back test it 100 times and come back with the results. Okay, after backtesting this strategy 100 times, I found those setups within 10 weeks period. As we can see, the results are very good. The win rate is 52%, which is good for a 5-minute scalping strategy. I was able to increase my account size by 191%. The profit factor was 2.17. I was able to get 7 consecutive wins against 3 consecutive losses. The maximum drawdown was under 6%, which is really good for a 5-minute scalping strategy. You must remember that all backtesting are unique. You must do your own backtesting. You must test every strategy with a paper account before using your own money. In this backtesting, spreads and fees were not included, which affects real trading results. Overall, the strategy shows amazing results. I definitely recommend trying it out on other markets and time frames. Make sure you like the video if you found it useful and subscribe. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more strategies.